There's breaking news tonight from the Supreme Court. In a 7-2 ruling, the justices refused to hear a lawsuit filed by the Texas Attorney General trying to throw out millions of ballots in 4 states, all but now ending the president's attempt to reverse his election loss. CBS's Ben Tracy joins us now from the White House with this breaking news. Good evening, Ben.
Nora, in this decision, the Supreme Court says that Texas does not have standing to question how other states conduct their elections. And for President Trump, who had hoped that the Supreme Court would ultimately decide the election in his favor, this is a big blow. Tonight, the Supreme Court declined to hear one of the last legal challenges to the 2020 election, saying Texas did not have standing to bring the suit. At a White House holiday party this week, President Trump had high hopes for what he called the big case.
We have tremendous cases right now, a big case.
The lawsuit was filed by Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton and joined by 17 other states, asking the court to invalidate votes from 4 key battleground states. But federal judges across the country have repeatedly tossed out the Trump campaign's claims due to a lack of evidence, and it lost yet another lawsuit in Wisconsin today. But tensions remain high as the Electoral College meets Monday to solidify Joe Biden's victory. Michigan's 16 electors will be offered police escorts. Elector Bobby Walton.
I wasn't looking forward to the walk from the garage to the building, but I would have done it. And I would have kept my head down and just kept walking forward. But this way, I don't have to do it all alone.
CBS News has learned White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows called FDA Commissioner Dr. Stephen Hahn today, pressuring him to approve the Pfizer vaccine or consider resigning. President Trump weighed in on Twitter, ordering Hahn to get the damn vaccines out now and calling the FDA a big old slow turtle. In a statement, Hahn admitted he was encouraged to continue working expeditiously. FDA authorization could come as soon as tonight.
But we also have a solemn obligation to the American people to get this right and determine the safety and efficacy.
President Trump is fixated on a vaccine and making sure he, not President-elect Biden, gets credit.
Don't let him take credit for the vaccines, because the vaccines were me, and I pushed people harder than they've ever been pushed before.
Now, with this rejection by the Supreme Court tonight, the president's legal challenges are all but over, but congressional Republicans can still challenge the outcome of the Electoral College vote when Congress meets on January 6th. But the Constitution requires that both chambers of Congress agree to any objections, and considering Democrats control the House of Representatives, any effort by the Republicans to change the election outcome are doomed to fail. Nora.
Ben Tracy, thank you.